In this demo, we'll select and work with the Request Catalog item with Voice AI Agent. Starting in System Designer, we have voice assistants and virtual agent assistants unified in one view. We'll select the Now System Voice deployment, the default voice configuration experience. This deployment is already configured and active. From here, we can set up AI voice agents to be part of this assistant. Let's navigate to the AI Agent tab. Here we have some already existing agents added. Next, we'll select Add from Library and select the Request Catalog item with Voice AI Agent, and then select Save. Once added, we can navigate directly to the agent to view its configuration and customize it to fit our needs. For this demo, we've configured it to handle software catalog items. In this example, there's a system ID set up that processes only software category requests, but this can be easily modified to suit your requirements or can be removed entirely if your catalog search already filters out the appropriate catalog items. For items outside this category, we send a link to the user with delivery options via email or SMS. If there are knowledge base articles associated with a catalog item, the voice agent can guide users through filling out the request form after they receive the link. Next, let's look at adding tools and additional configuration. First, there's Gather Catalog Item Variables. This retrieves and submits catalog items from the software category. We also have Assist with Catalog Request Form. This tool sends the catalog link and then helps users complete the form. Users can modify their request if there's an issue with an item. Finally, we create the catalog item order form. You can also leverage search retrieval to access all relevant catalog items. In this agent, subflows are also incorporated for sending catalog links via email and SMS. These can be removed or modified based on your implementation requirements. We can define additional user access, such as ACLs, and selecting user identities for secure, personalized interactions. You can review these options for the Request Catalog Item Demo Agent as a starting point for automating catalog requests through Now Assist Voice. To learn more, see our product documentation or knowledge base, or ask a question in the ServiceNow community.